No need to be a professional. Doesn't cost a fortune. Today, we're going to revive a plastic item that's missing a small piece, a container, a device casing, or any plastic item. Nothing is impossible. With just a few simple steps, you can make it sturdy like new and look like a high-quality product, all by yourself. Watch till the end to see the magic happen. It'll blow your mind. If you like this tip, hit like, tap the bell, and share it with your car-loving crew. Since it's missing a small piece, we need to fill in that plastic gap first. You can buy a special type for this, but here, I'll use what I have on hand. No need to spend a dime. A pack of pre-brewed coffee. I'm a coffee lover, and if you are too, share in a comment below. When coffee grounds mix with superglue, it forms a mixture that can fill gaps just like baking soda. So, I'll need a bit of a different color to make it darker. These are old batteries. These batteries are dead, but I'll keep them for experiments to revive them. Is there anyone else who enjoys reviving batteries in different ways like I do? Recycling and restoring batteries not only helps save money, but is also quite fun when exploring different methods. Have you had any success with any of them? Take the battery core out and grind it into a powder. This black powder, when mixed with coffee grounds, darkens the color to better match the plastic being repaired, and also increases the adhesion with the super glue. These coffee grounds contain sugar, so now I need to remove as much of the sugar as possible. Mix the charcoal powder and coffee grounds together. Stir well to blend the mixture thoroughly. I'll use this soldering iron to help with the repair. Since I'm working with plastic, I'll switch the soldering tip to a larger one. I'm using this piece of metal mesh to fill in the gap. Use a heated soldering iron to melt the plastic and fuse the mesh into place. Now, I'll create a mold to restore the missing part. Stick tape along the bottom and around the edges to keep the mixture from spilling out. Sprinkle a thin layer of the mixture on first. Then, drop some super glue on top to create a solid base layer. Then, keep repeating the process until mold is complete. Once the glue has dried, remove the tape. Use a utility knife to trim off the excess from the surface. Now it's time to finish the surface. Use 240 grit sandpaper to lightly sand and smooth the surface. Then use 600 grit for a finer finish. You can spray it with black paint to make it look even better. I'll use a black marker to repaint it. Then, spray some WD-40 to clean and polish the surface. Look, our car's headlight has been revived. What do you think? If this tip helped you save your car's headlight, share your results in the comments. Don't forget to like, hit the bell, and share this video with your car-loving friends. Want more awesome DIY tips? Subscribe now so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Keep shining, guys.